let's see how to use functions in C program. Using functions in C program. Okay, so first let's include standard input output header file. Then open void main. Okay, so there only we are going to write the code. So the aim of program is this program is to add two numbers. Okay, so declare A, B, and to store the result some variable also. Okay, then we have to declare the function also. Okay, so for that the function is going to not return anything. So void add function, and the argument list we have to give int x. Two arguments we are going to pass. So here we are going to add two numbers using function. Passing by value. So we'll pass a copy of the values a and b, okay, to this function. Okay, and the function will find the sum of those two numbers and print the values there only. Okay, that's why the function is not going to return anything. Okay, so now let's prompt the user, enter a. Enter a and b. Okay, both the values will ask the user to enter. Okay, then let's read the value from the user using scanf statement to integer data %d, %d, then ampersand a, ampersand b. Both the values we are going to read from the user. Then we are going to call the function add a, b. So whatever the values we read, we'll pass to that. Okay, so the a value will be copied when we call the function. It will be passed to x, and b value will be passed to the argument here y. Okay, so now we have to define the function. Okay, so void add int x comma int y. Okay, so here we are going to declare another variable c. Okay, c equal to x plus y, and we in c we have added the value of x and y and we have stored it. Okay, so result of addition is equal to, okay, %d c. Okay, so let's see the execution result. There is an error, we'll correct it. So one a value I am passing as 1 and b value I am passing as 2. Okay, result of addition is 3. Okay, so like this we can use function. Okay, so this is the example for pass by value.